Right, so we'll talk about accounts. We'll talk about contacts. Contacts, similar format to accounts. Name. The sample data hasn't linked a lot of these names to an account name, so which is why they're blank. But I guess there's only 11 things anyway. You just pick and edit, and just pick whichever account that person works for. Chane, you can see by the email. So if I go into each one, I'll go back to that one. Again, contact only, you can change this information for whatever's important to you, whatever's tracked. You've got full customization on this part. Here are the details, a phone number, mobile number, the department they work in, basic information that you would expect, a Skype ID if you want to call them on Skype. The Twitter's here, so it isn't in the main account. You can see that person's Twitter. Obviously this is a fake person, so it doesn't work, but if you know their Twitter ID, you can just click it and it will pick them up. Address information if you've got it. Any notes, you can type in note. If you've made a call with Josephine, you can do any sort of sales note. Wants new alarm system. You can add a note. Daughter Sarah, son Steve, husband John. Right, information that you just track in for yourself. You're tracking for, future information. When you make a call, you want all this stuff at hand to say, all right, yes. How's your daughter Sarah? Wasn't she into dancing or something? And you put in there, Sarah, dancing competition. Competition. Why can't I spell when I'm live? That's what that red squiggly line's for though. So yeah, attachments. If you've got information, you can add attachments. Current deals for that person. So a big deal, but probability low. Open activities, nothing. But yeah, it's one of those things with Zoho. You can add a new task in different places. You go up to open activities, new task. You can come down to activities, new task. You can go up to the add button, task. It's 3 or 4 places to do the same thing, which is cool, and you'll get your own way of working. Close activities, invited, events, emails. So you can send an email from here. Oh, I haven't confirmed my account. I'll do that in a second. In fact, I'll do it now. Where is it? Activate your account. There you go. So now when I go to send Sarah an email, I'm not going to, because it might be a real email address that. It's going to send from my email that I set it up for, and it's going to send through, and then the email will be tracked. In the free version, you can't see the reply, so I use Zoho Mail. If you look at the top here, I use Zoho Mail, and the best thing about it is when I email somebody from my CRM, when the reply comes, I can see it here. And with Sales Inbox on the I can actually see when they open it to make sure they've got it and stuff like that. So, but with the free version, you're not going to see replies. Campaigns again is, you can set campaigns for certain customers and tag it to that person, but I'm not sure you would or not in this scenario. But we can look further in that when we look into campaigns. Get started using social, so you would have to connect, I believe, to your Twitter to get it working. Industry, so you would add your Twitter. So if I authorize my Twitter, hopefully it says it's happy, and I can authorize my Facebook, Google Plus, maybe. I mean, I don't know a lot of people that use Google Plus, but. And now, because I've added those 3 things, when I go back to contacts, if I go back to Josephine, it's not, obviously we know it's not a real person, but down here it's going to say, search this person, right? So now, this person in Twitter hasn't tweeted for 4 years, but I could say, yes, that is Josephine. Search and associate, I could again say, yes, it's this person. Or if I could say it's a page. So when I look at the social tab, I can see, oh right, she's tweeted here, and I can straight out of my Zoho CRM, I can like the tweet, I can retweet it, I can reply in there. So all of a sudden, if this is a business or this is someone you're trying to do business with, you're starting to put yourself on their radar by liking and commenting and adding stuff to their Twitter feed or their Facebook feed. Obviously, their Facebook's usually private. You can, if it's a, if I unlink that, let's just disassociate it and go, what would we do? Let's search a page and just say, let's see if mine comes up. Yeah, that's me, right? So I could associate me and then look for the things that I've just posted. So I've put in here, are you running your business for blah blah? It's a video, you could watch it, and then it would show your comments. I'm guessing you can't like. I don't think. Yeah, I think you would have to go to the page. I think that would just play the YouTube, right? So the face one's not as interactive as the Twitter one, but you could, you can see that you can get involved within someone's Facebook. You can jump to the Facebook, see what they've put, like their page, comment on stuff, and get involved right from within your contact area. Show a little bit of, giving a little bit of love to get some, so when they might even then contact you. I saw you like my post, or I saw you retweeted. I need to get back to you about that burglar alarm. I need to get you back to you about getting you in to look at my automatic gates, or whatever they say, right? So all sorts of things again in contacts, really cool. You like say notes, any descriptions, your information, your bulk information of everything you want. And again, this is all at your fingertips on the mobile app, which we're going to come to. So I don't think I've missed anything major out there. Notes, obviously you can see on the side if there's a number, that means there's 4 notes. If there's a deal, it's going to jump to the deal. And events or anything like that, right? I don't know if the prints, customize. You can customize information, but you can't do a whole lot with a free version. But I think you get a lot. For it being free, you can still get a really good grasp of what a CRM should do. Right, so next we're going to deals.